Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a topic that stirs a lot of debates: evolution. Specifically, we'll explore why complexities in life make evolution as proposed by Darwin, particularly macroevolution, is impossible. We'll differentiate between microevolution and macroevolution, delve into the complexity of life at the cellular level, and discuss why the information in DNA points to an intelligent designer. Let's dive in. During Darwin's time, our knowledge about the cell, the complexity of life, and DNA was extremely limited. Darwin writes in his book, "If it could be demonstrated that any complex organ existed, which could not possibly have been formed by numerous, successive, slight modifications, my theory would absolutely break down." Before we get into the details, let's clarify two important concepts: microevolution and macroevolution. Microevolution refers to small changes within a species over time, driven by natural selection. For example, bacteria developing resistance to antibiotics or the variety of dog breeds we see today. These changes happen within a species and are widely accepted as observable and real. For instance, selective breeding has led to an incredible diversity in dog breeds, all while still being fundamentally dogs. On the other hand, macroevolution is the idea that one species can evolve into a completely different species over long periods of time. This concept asserts that, given enough time, these small changes can accumulate to form entirely new kinds of organisms. This is where things get contentious. To understand why macroevolution is highly improbable, we need to look at the complexity of life at the cellular level. A single cell is incredibly complex, functioning like a miniature factory with thousands of interacting parts. DNA, which is found in the nucleus of the cell, contains the genetic instructions for building and maintaining life. The information density in DNA is mind-boggling. If we were to write down the information contained in a single human cell's DNA, the line of text would stretch from here to the moon and go even further. This level of complexity and the sheer amount of information encoded in our genome is staggering. Now consider this. Information of such magnitude and complexity doesn't arise from random processes. Information theory suggests that complex specified information, like that in our DNA, requires an intelligent source. Random mutations and natural selection lack the ability to create new, complex information from scratch. Just as a computer program cannot write itself without a programmer, the information in DNA points to an intelligent designer rather than random, undirected processes. Let's look at some specific examples of complexity in the animal kingdom. The giraffe, for instance, has a unique circulatory system. Its heart must generate enough pressure to pump blood up its long neck to the brain. To prevent fainting when it lowers its head to drink, it has a complex network of valves and pressure-regulating mechanisms. Such intricate systems are difficult to explain through gradual, successive modifications. In conclusion, while microevolution, small changes within a species, is a real and observable process, the concept of macroevolution, where one species evolves into a completely different species, faces significant challenges. The complexity of life, the intricate machinery within a single cell, and the vast information encoded in DNA all point to an intelligent designer rather than undirected random processes. Darwin's statement, "If it could be demonstrated that any complex organ existed which could not possibly have been formed by numerous, successive, slight modifications, my theory would absolutely break down," shows Darwin's acknowledgement that complex organ and systems in life make his theory impossible. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching.